This impressive double-storey home is settled in popular Canley, offering open-plan living at its best. Its light-filled, spacious layout offers plenty of room for the growing family. Not only does this home offer an open-plan kitchen, living and dining area, it also boasts a separate formal lounge, rumpus room and study. Just minutes from Canley and Brimbank shopping centres and within walking distance to parks, schools and transport. Comprising 5 bedrooms, 4 with built-in robes. Master bedrooms on the ground floor featuring a walk-in robe, an ensuite with a double shower. Formal lounge plus open kitchen, dining and living areas. Separate rumpus room and study. Tiled double entry with a sunlit atrium which leaves an immediate impression. There's central heating and cooling, security system and intercom, stainless steel appliances, stone bench tops, spa bath, ample storage, downstairs powder room, double remote control garage with rear access, low maintenance landscaped gardens. Be sure to book an inspection.